Good morning. You're listening Dishy Sharma, your news anchor from the Alfara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 8th July from around the world. IAF carrying out intensive nighttime operations over eastern Ladakh. Forward air base near China border. Aimed tensions with China. The Indian Air Force IAF is carrying out nighttime combat air patrol over the eastern Ladakh sector. CBSE decides to reduce syllabus by 30% for classes 9 to 12. Considering the importance of learning achievement, it has been decided to rationalize CBSE syllabus up to 30% by retaining the core concepts, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, Union Minister for Human Resource Development, said. India-China row updates. India-China troops to move back by 1 to 1.5 kilometers from friction point. In the first sign of the escalation of tensions in eastern Ladakh, the Chinese army has removed tents and started to withdraw its troops from Galwan Valley as decided during high-level talks between the two militaries, government sources said yesterday. Under the mutual disengagement, both sides will disengage and move back by 1 to 1.5 kilometers from the friction points. The two armies are likely to hold further talks after the disengagement process is completed, reports ANI quoting Indian Air Force sources. Chinese troops withdrawal by 2 kilometers in Ladakh's hot spring region to be completed next few days. Coronavirus updates. Fatalities rate per million population lowest in world, government says. The total number of cases in India has now risen to 7,19,665. Of these, 2,59,557 are active cases. 4,39,948 patients have either been cured and have migrated or have been discharged, and 20,160 people have lost their lives to coronavirus, according to the Union Health Ministry. Bengal to club containment and buffer zone to enforce tougher lockdown from 5 p.m. of July 9 to stem COVID-19 spread, officials said. Union IT and Telecom Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad on Tuesday said India is an important digital power and will not compromise on its data sovereignty. Airborne coronavirus. What you should do now. The coronavirus can stay aloft for hours in tiny droplets in stagnant air, infecting people as they inhale, mounting scientific evidence suggests. Always wanted Dhoni to bat up the order, says Sourav Ganguly. Mahendra Singh Dhoni went on to become one of the best finishers in the game, but on his 39th birthday, former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly said the World Cup winning keeper would have been more lethal if he batted higher in the order. Foreign students being ICED out of US, the Trump administration on Monday, a wrecking ball to the already difficult life of the foreign students in America in the time of the pandemic, ruling that they have to leave the country or risk deportation if they cannot attend in-person courses for the fall semester. Kanpur, kill them all, yelled gangster Vikas Dubey as his goons ambushed police team. Kill them all, yelled gangster Vikas Dubey as he, along with about 100 henchmen, ambushed the police team outside his house in Bikru village of Kanpur on the intervening night of Thursday and Friday. This has been stated in the FIR launched against Dubey and his men, who brutally killed 8 policemen. No cancellation of final year exams for university students. Ending all speculations over the holding of university examinations, Union Human Resource Development HRD Ministry Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said the UGC has changed its earlier guidelines for the university examinations. These changes were made in consultation with the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA and the Health Ministry, keeping in the mind of safety, future progress and placement of the students. I'm Dishy Sharma will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.